Alright, in the previous quizzes, a lot of people have had trouble with the subject and verbs of sentences. And so I wanted to point out some tips here for finding the subject and verb of a sentence. And so we have this example sentence. To a child, a puddle is a vast lake. Alright, I know that the subject can't be in a prepositional phrase. And so I've crossed that out. My subject is not going to be in that part of the sentence. So now I'm left with a puddle is a vast lake. Alright, I know that is my verb. And so to find the simple subject, I need to find what is. And so my answer is going to be puddle. Alright, when I'm looking for the subject, or the simple subject, I'm looking for just one word. And so puddle is the subject of the verb is. Puddle is my simple subject in that sentence. Okay, this next one is asking me to find the verb. It's true or false question, is the verb underlined correctly? And these words look like verbs. Marco seems worried. All right, and then we know that all of this stuff is not part of the focus of the verb because our subject is Marco. So Marco is the subject. Now, what is Marco doing or being? Because we have a linking verb here, so it's a state of being. And so let's just replace this with is and pretend like our verb is. Marco is worried. All right, so is or seems is the linking verb in this case, and then what is Marco? He is worried. All right, so this then is an adjective describing Marco, and so it's not actually a verb in this sentence. Worry can be a verb. You can worry about something, but in this case it's serving as an adjective, a predicate adjective describing Marco. And so the only verb then, we can get rid of my is that I stuck in there. The only verb is seems. And so the question said the verbs are underlined correctly, true or false. That was false because it had worried underlined also, and worried is not a verb in this sentence.